my dear friends, let's start our training. It's exact 12 p.m. It's noon. I hope you're quite excited for the journey. How many of you would love to become successful in life? How many of you would love to become successful in life? Now you must be wondering, sir, we are attending this session only to become successful. This is a very silly question by you. No, it is not a silly question. Let me tell you why. Because everything is created twice in the world. Can anyone tell me how everything is created twice in the world? Everything in the world is created twice. Can anyone tell me how? Everything in the world is created twice. No idea? First of all, in human mind, then in the real world. Write it down. Write down in your notebook. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, first of all, you need to create in your mind. See, the laptop you're using, earset, earphone, hands-free, whatever you're using, the blazer I have, the clothes you have, the fan, the AC, everything is created twice. First of all, in human mind. Do you agree? First of all, it was there in human mind. Someone designed that in the mind, and then it was there in the real world. Perfect. So, whatever percentage you want, can you please reply in the chat box? What is your target for this year? What is your target? Which is your target? Or I would say grade, in the terms of grade. What grade you want to achieve in this academic year? So I know your exams are quite shaky. No one knows what is going to happen. I know that, but still, you must be having some target, right? So I would love to know that target. Kindly reply me in the chat box. What is your target? What grade you want to achieve this academic year? I can see your replies. Wow. Akshita is saying 99.9 minimum. Wow, this is so amazing. So ambitious. All A plus in this year. Prisha, great. Yashi, Prisha / Yashi, great. I really appreciate that. So whatever you want. Avni is saying A plus. Amazing. Fantastic. See, whatever grade you want. Prisha. Okay, Prisha. So whatever grade you want, you need to create in your mind. Okay? If it is not in your mind, it is not there in the real world. It is not going to be there in the real world. So always make sure that you create amazing targets in your mind first. Then it is going to happen in the real world. Apart from that, see, when you meet someone, now it's afternoon time, we are meeting. So usually what we say when we meet someone during afternoon time, you
Good
can...
afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. But one more question. Would you like to become good or would you like to become great?
Great.
If you want to become great, start using great afternoon from today onwards. Okay? If you want to become great in your life, start saying great morning, great afternoon, great evening. You know why? Your words create your world. You can write it down. You can write down in your notes. Your words create your world. Whatever words you use again and again, that will be the reality in your life. It will become real in your life. So make sure you use positive words. I want to share one story with you. You will love this story. And it's a real story. It's not something mythological story or something. It's a real story. It's a reality. 2016, there was World Cup. In 2016, there was one World Cup, 2020 Cricket World Cup, T20 Cricket World Cup.
Yes, it was in India.
Yes, exactly, perfect. Which was in India. Which team won that World Cup?
West Indies.
Wow, amazing. I really appreciate. West Indies team won that World Cup. Do you remember on one song they were dancing throughout the World Cup?
Champion.
Yes,
Champion.
exactly, Anish. Anish is so brilliant in cricket. But I guess all girls, you must have seen this song, right? Bravo is a champion, Gale is a champion. No. Oh, what I would suggest you go on YouTube. Okay, later on after this session, you go on YouTube and write down the word DJ Bravo. Okay, DJ Bravo. There was one song, DJ Bravo. Bravo is a champion, Gale is a champion. So, by saying champion again and again, they became champion. West Indies team became champion by saying champion again and again. So what I want to say over here, what kind of words you use again and again, you will become like that. So make sure you use very positive words. Now you must be wondering, but sir, world will call us mad. You know why? Because whole world is saying good morning, and if I say great morning, and whole world will say this is nuts. Is this person is crazy? But I would still urge you to use positive words. You know why? Because you will become extraordinary. Tell me one thing, you want to get lost in the crowd or you want to become extraordinary?
Sir, extraordinary.
Wow. If you want to become extraordinary, don't you think you need to do something extra? You need to do something different, right? If you do something different, then only you will be extraordinary, outstanding, right? Hence, I request you from today onwards, use positive words such as great morning, great afternoon, great evening. Apart from that, whenever someone will ask you, how are you? What will you answer?
Sir, great.
Yes. Don't say I am fine. Otherwise, there will be fine on you. Okay? Don't say I am fine. There will be penalty and punishment on you because the meaning of penalty or punishment is fine. Right or wrong? Meaning of penalty and punishment is a fine. So why to say I am fine? Are you punishment? Is your name punishment? Is your name penalty? You are saying I am fine. So don't say I am fine. I know whole world is using that. I agree. I agree. Whole world is using. But we want to become extraordinary, right? We want to become something different, outstanding. Hence, we should use positive words. So whenever someone will ask you, how are you? So you will say, I'm great. I'm awesome. I'm fantastic. I'm top of the world. I'm magical. I'm miraculous. I'm magnificent. Use some dynamic words. So are you going to use that? Promise. Perfect. Because if you use positive words, then automatically you will become positive and awesome. You will become outstanding in your life. Now, you can see all successful people on the slide, right? Dhirubhai Ambani, Narayan Murthy, Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar. Would you like to become like this? Great. Now tell me, what are the different qualities in these successful people? Why they are so successful? What kind of qualities these people are having?
Sir, Sachin Tendulkar
Exactly.
can dance very well. Because of the talent.
They think really positive.
Sir, Lata
Yes, they think
Mangeshkar
positive.
can sing really well. Because
Yes,
they have. Sir, and
exactly.
Ratan Tata is the founder of Tata, the brand Tata.
Perfect. So what kind of qualities? See, I am asking you the qualities. What kind of qualities these people are having? These people are consistent. These people are hardworking. These people are sensitive, right? So you need to develop these qualities, right or wrong?
Right.
And one quality which is very, very important you need to develop is to become humble. And you need to become humble towards whom? Can anyone tell me? Towards whom you need to become humble?
To everybody who we meet.
Exactly. Fantastic, Prisha. With everyone we meet, especially our parents, our teachers, everyone, we need to respect them. You know why? Because when you will respect them, you will get a lot of blessings. You will get a lot of blessings. Have you seen the movie of Sachin Tendulkar?
Yes.
Great. In that movie, Sachin Tendulkar was told by his father, the father of Sachin Tendulkar told him that when you will retire from cricket, the world should know you as a great human being. Why? The father told him, even if you do not become a great batsman, it is okay. But you should first of all become a great human being. You know why? Because when you become a great human being, you get a lot of blessings. And when you get a lot of blessings, you become successful. Okay? Why Sachin Tendulkar is known as God of cricket? Because he is a great human being. So always make sure you develop qualities of the great human being. Let us move ahead. Now, very important question. Would you like to meet a person? After meeting that person, you can get whatever you want: health, wealth, career, finance, whatever you want, toys and all, everything, whatever you want. Would you like to meet such person?
Yeah.
Who is that person? Tell me. Who is that person?
Parents.
Teacher, parents, okay. What else?
Friends, guests.
Friends, great. Or what else?
Neighbors.
Neighbors. I really appreciate your answers.
God.
God, wow. I really appreciate your answer. Fantastic. What else?
Grandparents.
Grandparents. Wow, fantastic. I really appreciate your answer. Fantastic, Anish. Great. What else?
Family. Kids.
Yes, absolutely. What else? I want more answers.
Poor people.
Okay, I really appreciate your answer. What else? I want that one answer. अभी तक आपने नहीं दिया answer. You haven't given that specific answer.
A human being.
Yes, but who?
Sir, ourselves.
Exactly, Prisha. Bang on target. Exactly. It is you. You are successful because of yourself only. You can achieve success because of yourself only. Please understand. See, I agree. Your parents, your teachers, your neighbors, your grandparents, then the great books, the videos, everything. Everything is important. Even I am also teaching you right now. I am also helping you, right? So I am also trying my best to help you to become successful. But please understand, my dear friends, whatever you receive from your parents, grandparents, teachers, trainers, books, that is only 10%. Write it down. 10-90 principle. Write down your notebook. 10-90 principle. Just write down 10-90. 10/90. So whatever is happening around you, that is only 10%. Whatever everyone is telling you, teaching you, that is only 10%. Whether you want to use it or not, it is entirely dependent on you. And hence 90% success is dependent on you. See, I told you in the start of a session that you should use positive words such as great morning, great afternoon. You should say, I am great, I am powerful. But evening, suppose evening we are meeting or you're meeting someone and you say good evening to that person. Or you say, I am fine. Then who is responsible? It is you. Because I taught you everything. But still, you are saying, I am fine, I am penalty, I am punishment. So don't do like that. Okay. So start using all this knowledge. Then only you will become successful in your life. So why do we work hard? Any idea?
Sir, to earn money.
Yes. Wow. Prisha is bang on target. To earn money. What else?
To get fame.
Wow. Anish.
Sir, to get different products.
To get
and
different,
power supply.
To
help our family.
Wow, to help our family. You're bang on target. So these are the common answers. To become successful, to become happy, to get peace of mind. These are the common answers for which we work really hard. Perfect? For work, we really hard. But do you believe only by hard work you can become successful?
Yes.
No.
No, you need to do sharp work and smart work. Okay? Hard work is important, but you need sharp work also, smart work also. I will tell you how. I want to tell you a story right now. Okay? This story is 70 years old. Very, very, very old story. Maybe before our independence. 1947. Very old story. There was one man. He was looking for a job. And he was working very hard to get that job. Luckily, he got a job. And job was simple, going to a jungle and cutting a tree. More trees he is going to cut, more money he was going to get. So he was working hard, he was cutting trees. On first day, he could cut 5 trees. Next day, 10. Next day, 15. And so on and so forth. After 3 weeks or so, he started cutting around 50 trees a day. Okay? 50 trees a day. But you know what happened? Decline happened. Decline. From 50, he came down to 40, to 30, to 20, to 10, to 0. And he was confused that I was working really hard. I was cutting 50 trees a day. I was so successful. I was earning money. But what happened? Why I am so low right now? Why I'm not able to cut any tree? So the bosses, senior people come to him and ask him, what happened, my dear friend? Why you're not cutting trees? He was saying, sir, I'm putting my heart and soul. I'm working really hard, but still I'm not able to cut the tree. Can you tell me the reason why it happened?
Sir, because he was not getting peace.
No, he was getting paid. He was getting enough money. What else?
He was tired.
It is cutting nature.
No, no.
Sir,
See,
because trees were getting less, so he was cutting the trees less.
no, no,
He
no,
was tired.
no.
Because he didn't use his heart.
And in spite
Sir,
of
because he didn't have his heart in his work.
No, no. I really appreciate. By the way, I really appreciate. Thank you so much for your answers.
Sir, he didn't use his
Because he is doing wrong.
No,
Sir, because he didn't like the work.
no. Okay, now let me give you the answer. Can I give the answer right now?
Yes, sir.
My dear friend, he forgot to sharpen the X. He was having the tool X and he forgot to sharpen that. So if your axe is not sharpened, can you cut a tree?
No, sir.
So this is what this person did. He forgot to sharpen the tool. And you know what? Now you must be wondering, but sir, we never cut a tree. We love environment. Why we should cut a tree? Why you told us such kind of story? I know this must be your question. Don't worry. I am going to give you the answer right now. Even if you're not using the axe to cut a tree or something, but still you have got two tools. You have two tools. Can anyone tell me what kind of tools you have got? There are two tools you have got, very important tools.
hands.
No,
And
no. We are two important tools.
sir, jigsaw kind of thing.
Sir, I know.
Yeah.
Tree and axe.
Sorry. Yes, yes.
Tree and axe.
Akshita gave the perfect answer over here. She gave it in
And
the
an axe.
brain and body. Let me share you. I really appreciate everyone. So these are the two tools you are having, mind and body.
Mind and body.
These are the two tools we are having. And we need to sharpen these tools.
So there is a saying that if I had 8 hours to chop down a tree, I'd spend 6 hours sharpening
Yes, perfect. I really appreciate
my
your answer.
axe.
Yes, true. Perfect.
It was
You're true. You're perfect. Whatever you're saying is bang on target. See, we have two tools, mind and our body. We need to sharpen our tools. 99% people do not sharpen their tools. They say, I don't have time. If you ask them, do you do exercise? No, yaar, I don't have time. Do you follow proper diet? No, yaar, I get bored. Do you do regular study? No, yaar, I feel bored. Most of the people do not sharpen their tools. But if you want to become extraordinary, if you want to become successful, you need to sharpen your tools. Now, let us see how you can sharpen your tools. See, this is what we use our body for. Muscle, stamina, and reflection. These are the common answers. For these common activities we use our body, we need nutritious food to sharpen our body. Can anyone tell me what is nutritious food?
so food which contain proteins, fibers,
Perfect.
vitamins.
Yes.
So food which contains all the nutrients.
Right. I just want to ask you, honestly, do you really have nutritious food or you have junk food? Or tell me honestly.
So both.
Nutritious food.
Both.
I request you try to have more of a nutritious food. You know why? Because write it down. I want to write down. It's very important fact. 90%, 90% of your health, 90% of your health is dependent on what you eat. If you do not eat healthy food, then you will be in trouble. Now let us imagine one scenario. Yeah, let us imagine one scenario. Let me ask, JV, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which is your favorite subject?
Favorite subject?
Yeah.
Sir, English.
Wow. Now let us take example of JV. Okay, it is just an example. Suppose JV has worked really hard and all the English grammar and all everything is done. She's so confident. She's confident that she is going to score out of marks. Yeah, in English, going to score out of marks because she has prepared everything. Done. All is done. Done. Fantastic. But because of some health challenge such as headache or maybe toothache or maybe whatever, she is feeling uncomfortable. Now, in this situation, can JV perform better in the exam?
No.
Not even though JV work really hard whole year, JV knows everything. JV is so confident. But still, if JV cannot complete her answers, JV cannot perform well in exam, she will get less marks or she may fail also. Why?
Sir, because I am not comfortable.
Exactly. So think about it, my dear friends. If you are working really hard and during exam, if you start feeling uncomfortable because of your headache or your stomach ache or toothache or maybe fever or maybe cold or cough, whatever, in that case you will lose your hard work. Whatever hard work you have done whole year or maybe in that semester, all hard work will be in vain. So would you like to lose your precious hard work in this way?
No.
Not at all, right? Hence I request you. Yeah, I request you. See, I can understand everyone loves junk food. Even I love junk food. Everyone loves junk food. No exception for that. But try to have it minimum. Okay, try to have it very very less and have more of healthy food. Whatever your mother is cooking, whatever your granny is cooking, whatever is homemade food, try to have it more. Try to avoid outside food. And my dear friends, currently because of COVID, situation is very tough, right?
Sir, there is a limit of junk food.
So we don't eat too much junk food
Very
from
good. I really
outside.
appreciate. I really appreciate.
Sir, there is a limit of food that we eat.
No, JV, I guess your network has some challenge. I couldn't hear you properly. Anyways,
Sir, even junk foods are now.
Sir, I am saying there is a limit of junk food.
wow. I really appreciate that. But there are some. Yeah,
So we have the causes
If
of
we
COVID.
eat
Out
Because of this COVID,
one by one, my dear friends, you can raise your hand.
nutritious food and we have gone.
Correct, Japan.
Wait. You can raise your hand so that everyone can share their opinion. Okay. First of all, I can see the hand by JV. JV, unmute yourself and share.
Sir, if we eat less nutritious food
Sir, if we eat too much junk food in the time of COVID, then we will have less amount of nutrition in our body,
Right.
and we will not be able to fight COVID back. And if we order it from outside, then there is a fear that on the box there might be COVID.
Perfect, Prisha. Great. Hence, in this situation, we try to have more and more of the homemade food. So, who else has raised the hand? Okay, no one. No else has. Anyone want to share anything? Yeah.
I raised my hand.
One by one. Please raise your hand. You can raise your hand. In the Zoom, there is a facility to raise your hand. I can see your hand. Yes. Swastik. Okay. I guess your dad's name. Okay, maybe.
The junk food contains a high level of sugar and salt, so which
Yeah.
raises our blood pressure and sugar levels also.
Right. Very true. So
So
why?
we should avoid it.
Yes, very true. Great.
Yes, sir, if we eat junk food, that can even cause sometimes sick.
Yes, very true. So why I'm stressing?
So one thing more I want to tell you.
Yeah, go ahead.
The junk food contains very less fiber, which takes time to digest the food.
Very true, very true. I really appreciate answers given by all of you. Now, why I'm stressing too much this point? Because it is all about health, my dear friends. Do you agree? Everything is about health. If you are not healthy, you cannot become successful in your
Sir,
life.
can I say one line?
Yeah.
Sir, if we eat less nutritious food and we are out of the limit of junk food, then we will fall sick.
Yes, very true. Now let us summarize. Let us summarize. Very important point that I want to tell you. Being a student, for you must have almonds every day. Write it down. Every morning you must have almonds for your great concentration. Okay, write it down. If you're eating, it's great. Almond and walnut. Please write it down.
Sir, because of this COVID, without buying junk foods from outside, we are making it in our home and we are eating it, sir.
That is great. At least you are taking that much care, and it will help you a lot to become healthy. Yeah. So I want to tell you very important point over here. Please write it down. Almonds and walnut. You are supposed to have it every single day because it will help your concentration and memory. Very important point. Please write it down. Apart from that, the students over here are vegetarian, pure vegetarian. They must consume milk and milk products. Please write it down. Have it cheese and all, butter, then ghee, milk.
Sir, can you say it again?
Yeah, I will repeat it again. The student who are vegetarian, the student over here who are purely vegetarian, they are not even consuming the egg. See, I'm not asking you to consume non-veg, but the students who are vegetarian over here must consume milk and milk products and also more of the fermented food like idli, dosa, medu vada. Now, why I am saying it? Write it down. There is one vitamin called B12. Write it down. Vitamin called B12. And B12 vitamin you get only from the animal proteins. But if you are...
What's the vitamin's name?
Yeah, B12. B for ball. B for ball. See, all vegetarian students, I am not asking you to consume non-vegetarian food. You continue being vegetarian, but you consume milk and milk products. Why? Because B12 is a vitamin you get only from the animal protein. That is from the milk and milk products, and also somewhere down the line from the fermented food. Now, why B12 is so important? Let me share you. B12 is important for your concentration and memory. For being a student, you need a lot of concentration and a lot of memory. Also, it is important for your digestion. B12 is important for your energy. B12 is important for your immunity power. B12 is important for your nervous health, nervous system. So B12 is extremely critical vitamin. And the people or the students who are non-vegetarian, you have nothing to worry about because non-vegetarian people get a lot of vitamin B12. But the students who are vegetarian, I request you to consume milk every single day. Now, ideally, consume milk after sunset. Write it down. Consume milk only after sunset. And during afternoon time, have curd. Dahi. Curd has to be consumed during afternoon.
Sir, how to know that
Curd is my favorite.
no
Have curd during afternoon
Sir,
time. Yeah.
Sir, how to know that the milk is pure?
See, as of now, whatever milk you are getting from Amul or whichever the brand you are using, that is great. Otherwise, if you know any local person nearby your home, if you know any local person nearby your home who has cows and buffaloes, you can get the pure milk from them. You can get pure milk from them. But in the cities, it is not that easy. It is not that easy. So at least you consume whichever milk which is available with the best of your facilities.
Sir, I get cow milk.
Sir, Virka is the pure milk. Virka has pure milk, Virka.
Great. I really appreciate that. There are n number of companies.
Cow milk.
Yeah, perfect. And ideally, yes, very good point. Ideally, consume cow milk only. ideally consume cow milk only, because cow milk has a lot of power compared to buffalo. Buffalo milk has got only a lot of fats, which will make you fat, which will make you.
Sir, can you tell a little about desi ghee?
Yeah, see, even ghee is also great. Okay, you can consume 1 spoon of ghee every day, because ghee can be helpful for you, for your digestion also, for your vitamin B12 also, for your energy also. Ghee is also awesome. 1 spoon a day you can consume. Now, why I'm stressing a lot on the food habits? Because, my dear friends, currently the COVID is going on and we need great amount of immunity power. And hence, I'm stressing this point. And for a student, concentration and memory is very, very important. And hence, I'm focusing upon diet.
It also sharps our brain.
Sorry?
So she said it also sharps our brain.
Yeah, very true. 100%. Because it has got B12. B12 is very, very important vitamin. Perfect. Now, regular exercise. I'm going to share you powerful exercise right now. Okay? Which will help you to develop your concentration and memory. So, do you want to learn that? To improve your concentration and memory. I'm going to share very powerful exercise right now. Exercise is very simple. Okay? You have to take this position. Take this position. Okay. Put your pen down. Put your pen, pencil, whatever down. Take this position. Okay. Now, this is your index finger and this is your thumb. Perfect. Now, you have to hold it to your earlobes. Your index finger and thumb going to hold your earlobes. Crisscross. Perfect. Now, you can stand up. Stand up wherever you are. Please stand up wherever you are. Okay. Now, as you are standing, when you will go down, you have to breathe in. Go down. Utak betak karte hai na wo. You have to stand up properly. And you have to, yes.
Sir, sit-ups.
Yes, sit-ups, yes. So, as you go down, breathe in. And as you come up, breathe out. Okay, relax, relax. Stand up again. Stand up again.
This treadmill is a good exercise.
Yeah, treadmill also great, but it is more important. This is a super brain yoga. First of all, you stand up, all of you. All of you, please stand up. And take the position. Position which I told you. Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. As you go down, breathe in. As you go down, breathe in. As you come up, breathe out. As you come up, जब आप ऊपर आएंगे, breathe out. As you go down, breathe in. As you come up, breathe out. Fantastic. Fantastic. I really appreciate that. Please sit down right now. Relax. Please sit down. This is very important exercise. This is known as super brain yoga. This exercise is known as...
if we do treadmill.
Yeah, treadmill will help you to develop your stamina. But this exercise, which I told you, will help you to develop your concentration and memory. Okay?
Sir, if we do 1 hour treadmill, then what will happen?
Because of that, your stamina will improve. Your thighs muscle, then your calf muscle will become strong. But
sir, if we do treadmill in the speed of 15, then what will happen? 15 speed.
See,
hello, I request everyone to listen to sir only first. Okay? People are disturbing.
Yeah. See, it is okay to ask question. First of all, let me complete. We are going to have question answer session. Okay? Last 10 minutes, we are going to have the question answer session and then we will complete it. Perfect. So let me complete very important point. See, when you do the super brain yoga, you develop your concentration and memory. You can write it down. Super brain yoga. The exercise you did right now is known as super brain yoga. And this exercise is available on YouTube also. If you go on YouTube and if you type super brain yoga, you will get to know. So same exercise. So if you do it for 30 seconds to 1 minute, if you do this exercise every day, either in morning or evening, when your stomach is empty, okay? When your stomach is empty, either in morning or evening, if you do this exercise to 30 seconds, I'm saying, only 30 seconds or to 1 minute, you will develop great concentration and memory. So I request you to follow this pattern. Super Brain Yoga. It will help you to develop your concentration and memory. Now, last very important point, that is the enough rest. You need to take enough rest also. Okay? You need to take enough rest also. Ideally, you try to sleep by 10 or up to 11 p.m. Okay? Try to sleep maximum by 10 or 11. Do not go beyond that, because your body is getting developed. Your body is developing. You need around 8 to 9 hours of sleep. My dear friends, you need 8 to 9 hours of sleep. And earlier you sleep, better for you. Earlier you sleep, better for you. Never ever study whole night. Okay? Never do that. Never ever do that. Never ever study whole night. There are some students who keep on drinking tea or coffee or something and they try to study whole night. Never ever do that, because it will impact your brain. It will impact your immunity power. Hence, I request you to sleep properly during night time and study during daytime. Okay? Do not develop this habit, because most of the students develop this habit of studying during night time, and it can impact their brain. It can create some concentration problem, or maybe acidity, or maybe some kind of digestion problem can happen. So I request you to sleep properly during night and study during daytime. I hope this is very clear. This is a very, very important point. So let me move ahead. So exercise can be anything. You can do the walking, jogging, cycling, or maybe treadmill. You can do whatever you want. Okay?
I do cycling every day.
Yes, you can do whatever you want.
Sir, I play badminton.
Yes. Fantastic, great. I really appreciate that. So you can do whatever you want, but do some kind of exercise every day. Perfect. Well, let me move ahead. How we can sharpen our mind? This is a very important point. We use our mind for knowledge, attitude, and skill. These are the common answers. Yeah, these are the common answers. But what is more important to our mind is a positive attitude. Positive attitude. Now, I want to ask a very simple question. How many of you experience short-term memory loss during exam time? Raise your hand. During exam time, how many of you experience short-term memory loss? That means you study everything, but as you appear for the exam, as you enter that exam room, you forget everything or some of the things.
Sometimes.
Yeah. And after exam, after the exam is over, you remember everything. After exam is over, you remember everything.
Sometimes happens.
Now let me tell you how you can avoid that and how you can have super brain memory. How you can have super powerful memory. Very simple tool. Before, write it down. Write it down. Before going for any exam or viva or oral, before going for any viva or exam or oral, say to yourself, I have great memory. Write it down. I have great memory. You have to say it. I have great memory.
Sir, could you say it again?
Yeah. I have great memory.
Okay.
Great memory. Now, if you keep on saying like this before going for exam, you know what will happen? You will experience magical memory. You will experience great memory. Because most of the students before going to exam are under a lot of pressure. And because of pressure, they forget most of the answers. And after the pressure is over, after the exam, they remember everything. They remember everything. You have great memory. My dear friends, all of you have great memory. Only because of negative thinking, you block your memory. So whenever you will appear from exam or viva or oral or any competition, just say to yourself, I have great memory. Before going for dance competition, singing competition, or maybe running competition, you can say to yourself, I am a winner. I am a champion. If you say like that, you will become a winner. You will become a champion. Because positive thinking in tough situation is very important. Most of the students think positive on their birthdays, on Holi, on Diwali, on Dashera, on some parties. My dear friends, anyone can be positive on these days, but you need to become positive during your exam time. If you can become positive during your exam time, then only you can become champion. Always understand, always remember that. So become champion, become a great person during tough situation. See, I am a winner and I have a great memory. Okay, it will help you to develop a great memory. Apart from that, I know you can do some reading also. I want to suggest one book to everyone. Okay, please write it down. Power, Power. Write it down. Name of the book. Power of your subconscious mind. Power of your subconscious mind. I will just put it on in the chat box so that you can understand and check out the spelling properly. Power of your subconscious mind. It is by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Let me type it again for everyone. Perfect. Please note it down. Power of your subconscious mind. You can take a screenshot also. If you want to write down later, you can take a screenshot also. Or you can write it down. Power of your subconscious mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This is very powerful book, my dear friends. This is very, very powerful book.
So where will you get it?
You can get it on Amazon, Flipkart, or any bookstore. Any bookstore. You can buy it on Amazon. It is 100 to 150 rupees. You can get it in Hindi also. If you want in Hindi language or Marathi language also, you can get that. You can get it in. And if parents are attending this session right now, if any of the parents are attending this session right now, I request you to read this book. Everyone, this is a must-read book for all of you. Everyone, students, parents, everyone. Let me tell you, if you read this book, you will experience miracles in your life. I will share you my miracle. Yeah, I will share you my story. I haven't told you my story. I haven't introduced also myself. Now I want to introduce myself in very brief. Basically, I'm an electrical engineer. I did diploma and degree in electrical engineering. I did MBA also in marketing. And I worked for Blue Star Limited for 6 years as an assistant manager, but I left everything and I'm working as a motivational speaker and counselor right now. And till now, around 500 seminars and webinars I have delivered, around 25,000 people I have trained, and lots of success stories. All my students get always A+ and 90+ score. They always score really well. Why? Because they use their mind in a proper way. Now, let me share you my story in very brief. I was a dropout student. In 2004, you may not be there in this world also. In 2004, I was a dropout student. I failed. I was at home for 1 year. And I read this book, Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and I understood the power of the mind. I got only 45% when I failed. In the engineering, I got only 45%. But I used this book, I used the power of the mind, and I became topper. I was 14th in the Maharashtra. I got 85%. From 45, I got 85%. This miracle happened in my life. Why? Because I used the book. This book is very powerful. This book can help you to achieve everything you want. Even if I know you're quite young right now, even if you don't understand it right now, this book, you keep this book with you and read it later, maybe after 1 or 2 or 3 years. You will bless me. You will start crying with happiness. It's such a powerful book. And I want all the parents to read that book. You will understand how to treat your children, how to talk to your children, how to think positive. Even parents, if any of the parents listening right now, it can help you to develop your business also. It can help you to develop your get promotion. If you have any health problem, you can overcome your health problem also. If you have any kind of relationship challenge, it can help in that also. Trust me, this is a miraculous book. It's a very powerful book. This can help you to achieve whatever you want. Yeah. And this book is a part of self-development training. Self-development training and how you can relax your mind. So last point I want to share, and we will stop over here and we will go for question answer. How you can relax your mind and body? By doing the deep breathing. How you can do the deep breathing? Very simple. Put your hand on your stomach. Keep your pen and paper aside, everything notebook. Put your hand on your stomach. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And as you breathe in, make sure that oxygen is reaching your stomach. As you breathe in, make sure that oxygen is reaching your stomach. Your stomach should expand. जब आप breathe in करने वाले हो, आपका stomach expand होना चाहिए, और जब आप breathe out करेंगे, तब stomach अंदर जाएगा. Okay, so you have to breathe through your stomach, not through your chest. Most of the students or people try to do the deep breathing like this. This is wrong. Don't do like this. Your stomach should expand. Okay, that air, oxygen should reach your stomach. So make sure that oxygen air reaches your stomach. And when you're supposed to relax yourself, when you are under pressure during exam time or something, just put your hand on your stomach and breathe in. Make sure that air, oxygen reaching your stomach, you will feel relaxed. You will feel amazing. So that's it from my side, my dear friend. And I want to take your question. If you have any question, you can raise your hand and you can ask that. Also, if you want to learn more about the mind power, how to improve your concentration, memory, you can think about joining the course, Life Mastery. Yeah. There is one course called Life Mastery. You can check it out. Or maybe you can connect with the person from whom you got to know about this training. Okay. If you want further training, you can connect with me. Or if you have any question right now, you can ask me. Feel free and ask your question. You can raise your hand. Still we have around 10 minutes. So if you have any question, feel free and ask. Whatever we shared today, if you have any question, feel free and ask.
So in 1 week, how many classes will be held?
See, if you join the class of Life Mastery, around 6 classes will happen. Around 5 to 6 classes of 1 hour each. The way we took today, 1 hour class, in the same manner, 1 hour class is going to happen.
Sir, what are the fees and curriculum?
So everything has been mentioned on the app actually. I guess you're connected to Pidgeright, right? Yeah. So you can check out the fee structure and everything over there. I guess it is mentioned as 2,400 rupees something. So you can check it out, and if you have any question, you can get back to me. You can get back to me if you you can note down my number also if you want. Let me put it on the chat box. If you have any question, or if you want to know anything, I'm not sure on the app my number is there or not, but I'm just mentioning over here. If you have any question or your parents want to know anything about this course, you can connect with me. I have mentioned the number in the chat box. You can note it down. You can note down the number. See, this course will help you to become a topper. In simple words, this course can help you to become topper. And you can rock in your academics and your life also. This is very powerful course. You have checked out the number, and feel free if you have any question, ask.
Sir, this course is for months or years?
See, this course is for few weeks. For few weeks. It is going to be 6-session course. 5 to 6 sessions. So those sessions will happen maybe on the alternate days or maybe weekends, and we can plan that. We can plan our batch. Okay? We can plan our batch.
So that is our choice to select the batch.
Yeah. So we will plan that as per the convenience of everyone. We will plan the batch. Mostly it is in the evening.
The classes will be held in group or single?
It is going to be held in group. It is going to be class, the way we are doing right now. So feel free if you have any question or maybe whatever we learned today. So have you enjoyed today's class? Have you got information?
Yes, sir, I enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I enjoyed a lot.
Sir, the class is fantastic and
thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anything else you want to ask? Whatever happened today? Any question? whatever we learned today. Any question on that?
So, how you have done engineering? From where?
See, I did diploma from VJTI College. You must have heard the name of the college, VJTI. I did diploma from VJTI College and degree from Sardar Patel College of Engineering.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, how was the journey of you to become an engineer?
It was very, very tough. Engineering is not that easy, my dear friends. Engineering is really tough and you need to work really hard because the college timings are 9 to 5, sometimes 6 p.m. And it is very tough, the maths and all. But if you work hard and if you keep on putting efforts, you can achieve anything. You can become anything. It is all about your self-belief. If you believe in yourself and if you work hard, then you can achieve whatever you want. I just want to give you one important message while we are closing this session. See, whatever you think, you can become. If you think you want to become air hostess, you can become air hostess. If you think you want to become pilot, you can become pilot. If you think you want to become doctor, you can become doctor. You can become whatever you want. So never doubt yourself. Always believe in yourself. If you want to become very rich person, you can become very rich person. If you want to become very successful person, scientist, if you want to win Nobel Prize, you can win Nobel Prize. You can become whatever you want. Only the thing, you need to believe in yourself and you need to work hard also. Only thinking is not going to help you. You need to work hard also. Yeah. So try to take care of your health. First of all, the first goal of your life is taking care of your health, doing regular exercise, having proper diet. Why? Because health is wealth. If you are healthy, then you can achieve whatever you want. So last few minutes left. Feel free if you have any question. Otherwise, we will end today's session. Hirvi, do you love to ask any question? Would you love to ask any question? Hirvi Shah?
No, sir, you can end this session.
So how did you fight low phases in your life?
How did you
fight low phases in your life?
No. Can you please be louder? How did you?
So how did you fight low phases in your life?
Low phase, yeah. So this is what I said you. I read the book Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I'm telling you, I was a dropout student. For 1 year, I was at home. I was under depression. I was very negative. But still, I bounced back. From 45%, I got 85%. I was a topper. And why I became topper? Because I believed in myself. I worked really hard. So you can also achieve your targets. Suppose you have never been a topper in your life. You can become topper. Trust me. Trust me. You can become topper of your class, of your school, of your college. You can achieve whatever you want. If you believe, first of all, you need to believe you can become topper. And then you need to work really hard for that. Then no one can stop you.
Sir, can we download these slides that you have shown?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether, see, this session has been recorded. This session has been recorded. You can connect with the PG Right for people, the management team, and you can ask them if they can give you slides or if they can give you this recording. I'm not sure. This session has been recorded, but I don't know whether you're going to get it or not.
So how to fight this distraction?
Distraction.
So how to fight distraction?
It is very simple. Suppose if you want to become successful and if your goal is very big, then automatically your mind will help you to become focused. See, focus, concentration will develop when you have burning desire. Write it down, burning desire. When you have a burning desire to become successful, strong willpower or burning desire to become successful, then you overcome any kind of distraction. You need to have burning desire. That is a strong willpower. And one more important point is you need to enjoy whatever you are doing so that you can overcome distraction. Suppose you're watching a movie, then you do not get distracted, right? If you're playing, you do not get distracted, right? Why? Because you enjoy that. So whatever you enjoy, you develop your focus. So I request you, whenever you study, enjoy that study. Force yourself to enjoy that study so that you overcome distraction very easily and have very big goal in your life. See, when you have very big goal, then you have burning desire. Have a goal of becoming topper. Okay? Have a goal of becoming topper in your class. Then it will help you to develop a burning desire. Perfect. So feel free if you have any question. We have 2 more minutes to go, 1 to 2 minutes. So looks like everyone is quite happy. Everyone got the knowledge. I really pray to God. I don't know whether when we are going to meet next time, but I pray to God that all of you become highly, highly successful. All of you become really healthy. All of you make your parents proud, make your teachers proud, make our whole India proud, and make our India superpower. Yeah. My best wishes are with you. I'm damn sure one fine day I will see you on television holding a trophy, giving some interview, and you being a very successful person. Yeah. So thank you so much for attending this session. I really appreciate your concentration and your questions also. Very beautiful question all of you asked. And because of which everyone got amazing knowledge. This was very amazing session. So we will meet soon with the God's grace. And thank you so much. God bless you. Enjoy and take care.